Now, as the 2026 local government elections are on the horizon, the African National Congress in Gauteng is prioritizing often overlooked communities. Today, National Parliament member Oscar Matafa and provincial legislator member Nomantu Nkomo Ralihuko held an imbizo on health and crime in Freedom Park. The party emphasizes that the initiative is not just a campaign strategy, but also an effort to rectify past mistakes and rebuild trust within the community.
Iqembu lezepolitiki i-African National Congress lithi lifuna ukubuyisa ithemba emphakathini njengoba kusondela isikhathi sokuqokwa kohulumeni basekhaya. Namhlanje ilunga lephalamende lakuleli nelunga lesishayamthetho eGauteng bahambele eFreedom Park kwimbizo yezempilo nobugebengu.
Sizele lonto leyo kanye ngoku asenzelanga ngoba ngama-elections but sizele ukuthi into ezirong abantu abazirayizayo ukuthi emphakathini sizilungise through ANC parliamentary constituency offices. So sifuna lonto leyo ukuthi umuntu nomuntu ayazi ba unendawana okwazi ukukhalela kuyo like abana beberayiza ngaphakathi into ababezenziwe ezibuhlungu. We are still going to address those things. We don't want the repeat of the things that they said they came across, whether it was a clinic that is run by the municipality or the clinic that is run by the province. Everybody must get the equal care that they deserve.
Ukhetho kwelasekhaya kulindeleke libanjwe ngonyaka ozayo, kanti-ke leli qembu lakhexa umlomo kukhetho likazwelonke nolwezifundazwe ngonyaka owedlule ngenkathi lihluleka ukuthola amavoti alivumela ukuphatha kwelakuleli. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngise-Freedom Park.